Hi, in front of me is ALCATEL 1B 2020 and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this ALCATEL device. First of all, you need to go into settings. Now scroll all the way down, go into system, tap on languages and input, virtual keyboard, and finally keyboard that you're currently using, in my case Gboard. Then you need to click on theme over here and tap on show more to see all available options. When you're done, you can pick a color, then click on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them on or off and tap apply. You can do the same by tapping on one of these images. When you're done, go back. As you can see, keyboard of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!